So welcome back everyone to this series of discussions on the new PMP examination. With me I have Mr. Abhijit Pradhan. Welcome Mr. Pradhan.
Yeah, hi Tasneem.
Hi. So like we have been discussing on the new PMP examinations and we have published number of videos, and this is in addition to those. Last time we discussed chapter 1, an overview of chapter 1, and today we'll give you a brief about chapter 2.
Right, perfect. So, so let me talk about chapter 2. There are total 10 elements very important as a part of this chapter called as initiating the project. Of course, the name original name of the chapter is different. We have slightly made a changes in this title, but its meaning is same. So there are total 10 important elements. Let me go through that. Number one is about determining the appropriate project. Okay, first is identifying the appropriate project. Second is decide the methodologies and methods and practices. Like what exactly we are planning to approach, or maybe sometime it is a agile project management. Otherwise, it's a conventional project management, or it's a hybrid of both. So this is again, or various approaches can be decided as a part of the second step. Number three is planning and managing the scope. The typical there are three elements: scope, time, cost. So the element is plan and manage the scope. Second is plan and manage the budget and resources. So again, it is a planning. Everything about earlier it is the scope, then it is the budget and resources. Then it is about this was about fourth was this budget and resources. Fifth one was the plan and manage schedule. So again, this is the time management part. Okay, so scope, then budget, resources, and then there is a time management. Then sixth is about plan and manage quality of the products. So quality. So whatever is the quality assurance, control, all these are the planning of that comes as a part of this sixth element. Then there is an element called the integrating project planning activities. So earlier it was used to call the integration as the element first chapter. Now it has come to the chapter number, you can say 7, integrating but project planning activities, integrating everything about project planning activities. Then 8th is about plan and manage procurement. So procurement part, contracting part, procurement of the material and contracting of the subcontractors, contractors is a part of this. Then 9th one is about establishing project governance structure. That's how exactly the project will be governed. So all this is typically all these elements you can it reminds me about the project management plan. Okay, it talks mainly about that.
Right.
Then last one is 10th one is a plan and manage project and phase closure. So closure part is now a part of this particular chapter number 2. So how to plan and manage project and phase closure. Sometimes it is project, sometimes it is a phase closure. So very exhaustive 10 elements of the any project has been covered in the initiating the project. So I would like to take your feedback insight again on this.
Sure. So basically, I feel that as you explained it so well that it kind of integrates initiation and planning process groups that we had in the earlier PMP. So it gives us a very good overall understanding, as in what is the initiation context, why we are starting the project, and that connects with the business environment fundamental element. And about the planning part, it is more about process and people, like you facilitate the project, the processes, but all of these through your major asset, that is your people. So all the three fundamental elements get integrated here very well. Like you explained in one of the videos, you explained as the three basic elements: people, process, and business environment. So I see them connecting here very well.
Perfect. And it's also reminding me from the chapter 6, version 6, revision 6 of PMP,
Yes.
the planning process group. It reminds me to great extent this chapter.
The The planning
There's a lot of
process group.
similarity. Yeah.
A lot of similarity here. Okay, great. Thank you so much for the useful insights, Mr. Pradhan.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for calling. Thank you so much.
Thank you.